Imagine waking up on a random morning with your entire marketing machine ready to go. LinkedIn post is drafted, emails are ready to send, leads are researched, and all of this without even hiring anyone, just by using Claude. But the problem is, most people use Claude like a search engine, and that's why they're not getting good results. So in this video, I will show exactly how you can use Claude to build your marketing team and create an autonomous system to run your entire marketing operation. So let's start with the real problem. If you're a business owner, a consultant, or a founder, you probably know how expensive marketing is. A freelance content writer costs probably around $1,500 a month, an SEO specialist for another $1,500, an email marketer for $1,000, a social media manager for $1,200, and if you hire CMO to run everything, that's another $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Add it all up, it's around $10,000 a month just for marketing. But this is just the money part. The real problem that nobody talks about is time wasted in going back and forth. Even if you hire these people, you still have to manage them, brief them, review their work, and chase for deadlines. Think about it for a second. Your content writer writes a post, then it goes to the SEO person for optimization, then back to you for approval, and then to social media manager for scheduling. One content piece passing through different people and talking multiple days to go live. And you know what makes it even worse? Most small business owners and solo consultants can't even afford this team in the first place, so they end up doing everything themselves, and marketing becomes the thing that happens only when everything else is done, which means it never happens. And I know this because I've seen it happen with someone just like you. Meet Marcus. He is an operations consultant based in Chicago. He owns a consultancy business named Apex Advisory, where he helps mid-sized companies fix their internal problems like slow process, poor communication, and inefficient teams, and honestly, he's really good at what he do. But how he markets his services is a whole different story. He has no dedicated marketing person, and his marketing is just a few posts and email here and there. So considering his example, let's actually fix this completely. Now, to build an autonomous marketing system, there are 4 building blocks. The first one is project. So every time you open Claude, you have to tell it who you are, what your business does, and other important details, and project fixes that problem. You need to set it up once by adding all your business information, and Claude remembers everything from that point. It is like onboarding a new hire. You just brief them once, and then they carry that context forever. So let's build Marcus's project right now. I'll open Claude, click on Projects, and create a new one named Apex Advisory. Here I will add everything Claude needs to know about Marcus and his business. First, I'll add who is Marcus, then about his services and ideal clients, then his brand voice, marketing goals, and hit create. Now here's something most people don't know. Instead of manually typing all this information, you can also simply upload a document from here. I've already prepared a complete business profile, including his services, clients, brand voice, and goals, so I will just upload it directly and click create. And that's it. A new project is created, and Claude now has complete context about his business. Now here's a tip for you. Before you set up your own project, create a document exactly like this for your own business. It's like your business Bible for Claude. Since the project is set up, let's actually test it. I'm going to ask it to write a LinkedIn post about the biggest mistake founders make when scaling their operations. And look at this, the output reflected his tone and ideal client without any extra context. It even added a bio at the bottom. This is content that actually sounds like a real person. So now Claude has context about Marcus. But this isn't a team yet because he is still typing manually and asking for things. And this is where skills comes in. Think of each skill as a dedicated team member built for a specific role. A content writer skill that writes posts and newsletters, an email marketer skill that drafts outreach and follow-up emails, an SEO skill that researches keywords and optimizes content, and a social media manager skill that plans and structures your content calendar. All of these skills sit on top of this project, so every one of them have the context and work together as one connected operation. Now, skills in itself is a deep topic, and I've actually made a dedicated video on it. I'll link it right here, so make sure you watch that to fully understand how to get the most out of them. So let's build our first skill, which is Competitive Intelligence Analyst. I will use Create with Claude option and ask it to create a new skill and name it Competitive Intelligence Analyst. Select Opus and send. And look at this. I didn't tell it to use live web search, how many competitors to analyze. It figured all of this on its own, and see how it baked his entire context into the skill. And when it's done, the skill is ready to save with just one click. So let's actually test this skill. Since this is about analyzing competition, let's go in our project and type, what are other Chicago-based ops consultants doing on LinkedIn? And watch what Claude is actually doing here. It started searching on the web, but soon realized that it was a broad search, so it made a pivot and started specifically looking for solo consultants, checked their LinkedIn presence directly, and ran more targeted searches to understand how competitors are showing up in this space. I didn't told it to do this, it just figured out a better approach mid-research. And once it had enough information, this is what that output is. First, we have market snapshot with who's dominating the space and who's missing. Then we have competitor profiles, including what exactly other consultants are doing. Then we have got pattern recognition, explaining what every consultant sounds like and why none of them stand out. White space tells the exact gap Marcus can own that nobody else is claiming. And finally, a positioning strategy with how he can stand out differently. Now this isn't generic market research. It was custom intelligence brief built specifically for his situation. A real competitive analyst would charge thousands for this. Claude just did it with this one skill. Now, I built this skill from scratch to show you exactly how it's done. In similar way, I've made content writer skill, email marketer skill, SEO specialist, lead research, and social media manager skills. But these skills are still working with the information we gave them manually. They can't see what's actually happening in his business right now. They don't know who replied to his emails, who's been sitting in his pipeline, or what his calendar looks like. So how do we fix that? This is where connectors come in. Since a lot of his business communication lives inside Gmail, let's actually connect it to access the real-time information. Now I'll invoke the email marketer skill and ask it to check inbox from last 7 days and figure out who needs a reply and draft personalized response for each one. So first, Claude read both the email marketer and digest skill, understood the instructions, and went straight into Gmail. Then pulled every email from the last 7 days, read through all of them, and figured out which ones need a reply. And it didn't just list the emails, it categorized every single one. Now see this. One active client named Carol Bennett is asking for a project update and seems slightly frustrated. Claude understood the urgency, kept it at first place, and drafted a reply that acknowledges the delay, gives a concrete delivery date, and keeps the relationship intact. This is context-aware and situation-specific communication reply, drafted in seconds. Now this one is interesting. There is this one client, Scott Mercer, who pushed back on the price, mentioning that he needed it under $7,000. This is a typical sensitive situation that most people would overthink for hours. But look how Claude handled it. It held pricing floor at $8,500, but offered payment phasing as a middle ground. Splitting the budget hit across 2 billing cycles. Similarly, it drafted personalized replies for these 7 emails. You can find them as a draft in Gmail as well. Marcus just needs to review and hit send. So now we have skills that know what to do, and connectors that know what's happening in real time. But he is still the one who has to come here every single day and trigger all of this manually. What if this whole thing just ran on its own? This is where Cowork comes in. Cowork is that autonomous mode which turns everything we just built into a real system. So let me show you exactly what this looks like. I will create 3 workflows. First is for LinkedIn posts, second for cold outreach, and third for newsletter. So let's start with the first one. To do this, go to Cowork, click on Scheduled Tasks, New Task, Set Up Manually, and enter these details. I will name it LinkedIn Post Workflow. Description will be research and draft 1 LinkedIn post every week, and then explain what this is about. Use Competitive Intelligence Analyst skill first. Based on its output, use SEO Specialist skill. Based on that output, use Content Writer skill to write a LinkedIn post. Finally, use Social Media Manager skill to create a distribution plan. Once done, save a complete PDF summary to Apex/LinkedIn folder. Now, I have already created an Apex folder with LinkedIn, Outreach, and Newsletter folder in it. So I will select it LinkedIn here and set this to act without asking, and set the frequency to weekly, Monday 9 a.m. and click on Save. Similarly, I have create other 2 workflow as well, one for outreach and one for newsletter. Now, once this task executes, this is how it looks. First, let's see cold outreach. Look at this progress tracker on the right side. First, it found the prospects. Then it identified 1 key challenge for every prospect. Then drafted personalized cold emails and saved a PDF summary. These are 4 different steps that are automatically executed without any manual input. Now look at what actually happened under the hood. It started by invoking the lead research skill and search the web. And if you think this was a generic surface level search, let me click on this dropdown and see this. It went through like thousands of website articles, links, analyzed if these can be relevant leads. For example, here it says that sealer industry looks a good prospect and mentioned few bullet points. But then analyzed it deeply and mentioned that their revenue of $28 million is nearly double the upper limit of the ICP, so they're probably not the best fit. And then it went on to focus on finding prospects that align more closely with our criteria. This is what it did with all these thousands of leads. And let me remind you, this was just one skill doing all this. There are still more to come in this one task only. Once it had enough research to compile the prospect list, it then went on to assemble all of it and invoked the competitive intelligence skill to identify operational challenge for each prospect. It again followed the same approach. Once it had clear challenges for each prospect, it compiled all of it and moved to cold email part, and used the Gmail integration to save it as a draft inside the Gmail, and then finally saved a PDF summary of how it approached the complete task. Now I want you to pause here for a second and actually think about what just happened. This guy just woke up with 5 quality leads with email drafted for outreach, a LinkedIn post that went through competitive research, SEO analysis, and brand voice matching, and a complete newsletter with a unique angle on a topic that nobody is covering in his space. Now ask yourself, could a human do all of this? A human would have spent 2 days just on prospect research, another day on the LinkedIn post, another half day on the newsletter, and somewhere in between, context would lost, quality would drop, and deadlines would slip. But what Claude did here is unbelievable. It went so deep with this speed across 3 completely different workflows, and all of this in 15 minutes. I can bet that team of 4 to 5 people couldn't match this output even in a week time. And this right here is what a marketing team build with Claude actually looks like. You can directly copy what I just did and build your own workflows for literally anything. The formula is always the same, so let's quickly recap what we just did. We build project that holds everything Claude needs to know about your business. Then we build skills, each one acting as a dedicated team member, then used connectors to pull real-time data, and then compiling all these 3 things to build a real workflow inside Cowork. All of this for just $20 a month. So start today and see the magic happen in front of your eyes. And if you want to go deeper on skills, I've made a complete video on it. It's right here. And if you want to go deeper on Claude, I've put together a complete playlist covering everything. Link is right here. Go check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.